Hey guys, hope everybody's doing good today. So lots to talk about. I got some interesting stuff going on that I want to share with you guys. So yeah, let's get after it here. So hope you guys are all doing well. To me it's a Sunday. I'm not sure what day I usually upload on Fridays, so imagine it's Friday. I thought we'd take a cruise down one of these roads I haven't been down in a while, actually since last year. I just love these low hangers like this. Hard on cameras. Wow, it's beautiful up here, hey? So I don't bump up the saturation or anything in my videos. If you guys ever notice how green and nice everything looks, that's straight out of these Sony cameras. Some of the ones I used to do, I'd mess with the, you use picture profiles and add your own color. I used to do that with the other camera, but I don't see a need, at least on my computer. It looks pretty nice and awesome colors. So here's a good tip for you guys. On these descents going downhill like this, like see all these, some people call them boulders or baby heads, or the round rolly, the ones that really usually put you on your head. So I always lean back a little bit and stay a little bit lighter in the front end. I know that's hard when you're going downhill, but and guide the front tire through the most obvious way, which always isn't so obvious. And the back tires generally can do its own thing. It can bounce and roll off of those. Like it'll always follow because the momentum of the bike's forward. So crashing in with the front tire is usually going to roll off the rock, and then that's what makes a person crash or fall. But if you can get the front end guided through there, then the back end usually does its own thing and you'll be okay. So here's my hot tip of the day. Guide the front end through, stay light on the front, or lighter if you can, and you should be good to go. So yeah, as I was saying there, I got lots to share with you guys. I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but these past few years I've kind of been looking for a camper van. Like, like the Dodge Pleasure Way or the Road Trek, or there's a whole bunch of different ones, but I couldn't really justify the 20 or 30 grand sitting in my backyard because I probably only use it, less than 10 times, at least at this time in my life. That might change down the road, but so I found one for under 10 grand, and it's a pretty nice one. It's an older Dodge, but I got it all cleaned up, painted up some of the stripes. I'll throw a picture probably right about here. And it actually only got 100,000 kilometers on it, so that's, and to you US guys, I think that's 60,000 miles or something, maybe 70. It's really not a heck of a lot. So yeah, and I'm pretty excited about it because I've got a few locations I want to go ride at. And I picked up, one of those units to haul your bike across the back. So I'm just got to dial it in a little bit. I put it on and it was hanging a little low, so I got to make a few modifications to get it a bit higher. And I got some air shocks coming, so I can just pump up the back end a little bit. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. So I'll probably do some van stuff. I don't want to scare everybody off my YouTube channel, so don't worry, we're not going all van life or anything, but vans are definitely cool, and it's really convenient to have everything all in one, the van and the bike on the back. And then like I'm near Revelstoke and Whistler, and some pretty unbelievable locations. So being able to go to some of these awesome areas, maybe park at a little campground nearby and then take the dual sport or whatever bike I have with me. And then I also have the option I can pull my little trailer, so I can take a couple of bikes because it weighs hardly anything. So it's got a little 318 in it, the Dodge, so it's not a super big power one, but it'll get you there. Reliable old Dodge. So yeah, I'll probably do a bit of stuff on my channel with the van, showing you guys the updates and stuff I've done to it. But let me know in the comments below who's into the van life thing. There's a whole bunch of guys on YouTube I follow. It's really quite cool what you can do with them. It's like a little mobile house. And the reason I wanted to go with the Class B, the Class B vans was, going on the ferry, and you want to be able to go downtown, and you want to be able to park easy in that, and you're still only, whatever it is, 20 feet or 21 feet, or so. I haven't even measured it, but yeah, it's the perfect size for me. And then my daughter and my girlfriend and I can get away and go go to, you know, some of these cool spots just nearby. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. Well, that was fun, you guys. I got a few drone shots. So I was kind of out on a little bit of a cliff there, so I hope they turn out. If they turn out, I'm going to run them right about now. Dodge through those round ones. Don't worry about the back end, just dodge that front through. Just follows you nicely. Yeah, you can see some of the water here where it rushed. That little stream in there that's not even, oh, it is flowing right now. Wow, look at that. Actually, let's splash our face off. That's what we'll do. Beautiful. Beautimus. Beautiful. Woo, holy, that's mountain fresh cold. I gotta tell ya. I should mention, you guys, I got one of those straws for drinking out of. I always mean to show you guys, but I actually haven't used it yet. But if you ever ran out of water, you can just drink right out of here. Holy cow. That is like ice water out of the fridge. Freezer, I mean. That's freezing. Oh, is that beautiful. Well, look at this. Looks like someone built me a double jump. Actually, it'd be more like a step down. Maybe not so much on this big 690, but with the little motocross bike, you could land on the downslope there and you'd have a nice step down. Yeah, maybe those days are gone for good, I think. I'm just enjoying my time riding bikes. That's awesome, though. You could totally make that into a little step down. That's so cool. Anyways, getting back to my point, it looks like they obviously had machinery to build that, so that's totally doable. Maybe not on a 690, but anyway. The old days I would have been all over that. But yeah, they must have had machinery down here to clean this road up a bit, because it was like super not, I mean, I managed to wiggle my way through it, but you'll see what I mean here in a minute. Here's where the river diverted. This used to be all road. There's some quite gnarly cliffs coming up, but holy jungle or what? Camera, it's hard on cameras, this stuff. Sorry for the weird view, everybody. Just totally messes my camera up when I have to do that. So we're coming up to the gnarliest part here, or what used to be. Well, maybe that was it. No, I can't. No, it's around the corner here, I think. Just wanted to show you guys what I was talking about. It was like a drop off from, oh my goodness, it's worse this year. Trees have come down. What a bummer. Oh, I'll How in the heck did they get the machinery up here? Yeah, look at that. Cliff of Doom or what? And trees, yeah, we're not wiggling through there anytime soon. Okay, well, I'll get myself out of this predicament and I'll come back at you. Look at that. Graham Jarvis, look out. Oh boy, oh boy, oh no, we got her. That's cool. So I will be able to do them on this bike. Just went whipping by this cool hill here. I remember climbing it years ago on my quad, actually, but as if I'm not going to climb it. A little rocky. Second. Whoa, go shooting off there. Hey, you guys, I did a how-to on my in the playlists actually. So if you guys want to polish up your climbing skills, there's that. I'll put a link to it actually right about in the cards right there. I'm gonna play around on this hill a little bit more, I think. So I appreciate you guys watching all my stuff. Make sure you drop some comments below and let me know what you think. I'm excited to do some van stuff, so there might be some weird stuff coming up on my channel, but don't get all panicky. I'm not going to go all van on everybody, just a few. I know there's a few people that dig them, and lots of people use them for moto vans and that, so yeah, thanks for watching everything, you guys. Drop some comments, hit the old like button and the subscribe button, and check out the little drop down arrow below. That's got all my links to all my description and my Patreon accounts there. That's just for the people that feel, you know, my lesson videos and stuff are worth something, so you could buy a guy a beer or whatever, or chip in $1. But anyways, those links are below, so I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.